Oh, that's a nice road. You got a few karting tomorrow. I've got 3. I've got Liam, I've got Jim, and I got Joe. But I'm all tomorrow to the other farm, to the other job. I'm just like, I could really, and I'm going to be not doing full loads because the field, like, really do with all the trailers. I was like, yeah, but if you're going to block, you might as well not have the trailers because they're all going to be sat there doing nothing. You're paying for it. I was like, okay, yeah, I see your point. I do see his point.